Uh, no, it's just like knowing schemes, following the game plan, watching film, just being prepared.
How much of defense is, as you stated, preparation aspect of it, scouting, technique versus effort?
I'll say it's half and half. Half of it's reaction, just to the move and stuff, and then being prepared for the move. So half and half.
Have they given you a little more freedom to try to make things happen off your guy at the rim and help or in transition, or is that just something that's coming natural to you?
Oh yeah, it's just naturally coming.
Feel pretty good, some of those, like the blocks in transition or the ones where you do get up around the rim?
Yeah, just like the timing, anticipating it, and then it's like the one with Matt in transition. He did a good job of like baiting the guy to drive, and I just came and helped him.
Who do you prefer against steals or blocks? And why?
Uh, I don't know. I guess equal. They're both cool.
Who are some of the guys that you grew up watching that stood out to you defensively, sort of growing up? Inspirations of guys.
Ron Artest. Who else? Scottie Pippen, Kawhi, stuff like that.
Some
Draymond.
like common denominator between those guys that made them great defenders.
Um, like hand quickness and then anticipation, stuff like that.
When you mention kind of like looking at film, what are you specifically looking for when you're studying opponents?
Like the sets they're running, and then like their isolation moves, what they try to go to, and then like even pick and roll, how they come off the ball screen, where they're putting the ball.
Is that just a natural progression, like in your third year, that you're gonna get more detailed, more detailed?
Yeah, I think each year I've got more detailed, learn more.
Because I mean, Serge talked about use the word staying on you to kind of repeat what you did in Chicago. Are you getting that from all the players, or is it Serge? Is there a lot more from Serge in particular?
I know everyone like wants it and expects it from me, but yeah, but Serge is in my ear constantly about it.
The Raptors gave Alex a technique called Sunshine. Somebody who's obviously one of the buzzwords, especially when he came back last year. Talking about that. What's it like to work with him day in and day out, and how is he different from other trainers you've worked with?
Uh, it's an honor to work with him. He's a legend. He's probably the best at what he's for sure the best at what he does. He's real detail oriented. He focused on the little things, stuff I wouldn't even think about. He's telling me to focus on, and it makes a difference.
So, like, what were some of those details last year when you were actually?
Oh, just like coming back, like the importance of the core strength, and then back strength, and then hip mobility, how it all ties in, connected chain.
Is the trust with him instant because of the reputation, or does he earn it?
Um, I'll say both.
Yeah.
I instantly trusted him because of his reputation, but then over the years, working with him every summer, he's earned it.